Celine sayang, see your white miracle pumpkin. Now I would say big, Maybe you cannot really appreciate the size, but it's big. I think probably about 3 times bigger than the last time I show you through my video. Okay, Celine sayang, see, big, 3 times bigger than the last time I show you in my video. Wow. And there's another one there. It's like lying, sleeping, big also. You know what? I did not expect that this white pumpkin, your white pumpkin, big, the kind that big like this, because there's many types, few types, and the usual one is the smaller. But this one is big, Celine sayang, big. Okay, Celine sayang, love you, Ma.